Hello everyone, it's Arty Friday and we're going to talk about the focal points. So focal points are nothing but the spots or points in a painting which draws the maximum attention of the viewer. So for example, if you are painting something which has a lot of elements like in case of a landscape, it has trees, mountains, river, water bodies, anything. So what happens is like we can have one or two focal points in it which actually is a very big game changer, because I'll just show you in an example. I have this seascape here, and the very first thing that you notice about the painting is the sun over here in the sky. So this becomes the focal point. So this actually helps your viewers to get hooked for a longer period of time to your art piece, so which every one of us wants, right? So try incorporating a focal point the next time you paint. It can be anything. So just try drawing maximum attention to a focal point and let me know if that helps. Happy painting, guys. See you.